Hello, welcome to Londrex. Let me show you around our factory. We are a professional laundry machine manufacturer with over 20 years of experience. Here is our washing machine and dryer workshop, and our ironing machines. Here you can see our feeding machines. And let's have a look at these folding machines.